In this video I will show you a very easy and beautiful crochet flower leaf pattern for baby blankets, baby jacket, frock, for ply baby yarn, crochet hook, 3 mm or 4 mm. First make 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Extra 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 double crochet, make 25 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 till end. And single chain 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet also, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 single chain and skip 1, 2, 3, 4 crochet, and next make an 5, 5th 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double crochet, 2, 3 till end. 1, 2, 3 single chain, turn to front side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now is 1, half crochet, double half crochet, 2 double half crochet, 3 double half crochet, 4 double half crochet, 5, 6 double half crochet, and 7. Now make all stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4 single chain, again 1 half double crochet, repeat this stitch, 2 double half crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double half crochet. Make all stitches together. 1 double crochet till here, make all double crochet. 5, 1 double half crochet, 2, 3, make 7 double half crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and more 1, 7, and all stitches together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, make 4 single chains, 7, make all stitches together. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1 and double half crochet, 2 double half crochet, 3 double half crochet, 7, and 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 double half crochet, 2 double half crochet, 3 double half crochet, 7, and together. 1, double crochet, 3, 1, start 1, double half crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, double half crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and all stitches together.